Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay Chinese app. And then recently someone reached out to me about a particular question as far as Alipay payment sending and Alipay receiving payment is concerned. And I decided to make this a video so that it go viral and a lot of people will be aware of this particular Alipay verification status if they can actually receive payment or sending out payment in Alipay balance. For some reason, a lot of people know Alipay, but they do not know if Alipay balance is but they do not know what Alipay balance is all about. And at the same time, they don't know if they can receive money in Alipay balance if the account is not being verified. If you are the type and you are watching this video right now, I'm going to explain the facts to you and exactly what you need to understand about verified account in Alipay, what you can do and what you cannot do. Like for instance, if I go ahead and click on my profile right here, so we are talking about Alipay receiving balance right here. So if I open up my balance right here, then you're going to see some of the transactions I have done with this particular account right here. And this only possible if your account is fully verified with international passport. So if your account is not being verified with international passport, you cannot receive funds in your Alipay wallet right here, just like so. And this is the question right here. So I'm going to access from my Alipay right here. And this is the question right here. Good morning, master. I just watched your video on YouTube and I wanted to find out something from you. Exchanging of RMB. Please, can I receive RMB and make payment with Alipay if I have not been activated? What this person means is that I ask, what do you mean by activate? Not verified with my passport, and this is my response right here. You can't. So it's that simple. So it is always important that you verify your Alipay account before you can start making use of Alipay balance available right here. Without verification of your Alipay account, you cannot use this particular section in Alipay. It's that simple. In a nutshell, before you can start receiving payment or sending out payment in Alipay, you must verify your Alipay account with international passport. No shortcut as far as this is concerned. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Alipay topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.